Okay, I am making a stock, and this time I used all the bones from the chicken, roasted chicken that I had, and there's still some meat elements on there, so there's a little bit of meat on the bones. And what I added was basically some onions, and I didn't glaze the bones or the vegetables, and that's normally how you do it. So I just wanted a nice clean stock, but it does have the bones, and there are some fats in there already. So, and I have carrots, onions, celery. I put some fennel seed, and well, you can just use whatever herbs. I'm going to go out in my garden and get a couple more herbs. There's garlic in there, and this is how I make my stock. I bring it up to a boil like that, and then I go ahead and lower it, and that makes a nice stock. And this will be, I'll probably add more fluids to it, more water to it, and this will simmer for about a good 4 to 6 hours, okay, depending on and I want that, and then I'll have the lid on it, of course. Usually your stock you don't add the lid on, but I like to because I don't want it to, and there's a little hole in there. I mean, this goes up, and because I don't want all the liquids to evaporate. Okay, so just wanted to share that really quick. Okay.